Thanks to AI, HackerRank has brought me back to be a part of this AI Skills and Tech Talent Summit.
And so that's why at HackerRank, when we say we're embracing AI, what we really mean is we believe in a future that is going to be human plus AI.
I'm the one who is trying to bring AI into the team and show how it can help and change our life in a way.
In engineering, right now I would say that most engineers are utilizing AI at least a little bit. So there's broad adoption of ChatGPT. Some people actually use it just a little, some people use it heavily. So there's a spectrum there.
20% of engineers who are being told that they couldn't use stuff are still using stuff, right? Like if they want to do that, they need to do that because otherwise they're going to be obsoleted.
This is here not only to give you a better workplace experience, my world free of bias that actually is making decisions, whether it's promotions, hiring, upskilling, reskilling, based on nothing else but your ability to perform the job.
A heartfelt thank you to everyone here for attending the summit today.